In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert chart on Google Docs. Before we start, here's the key idea. In Google Docs, you don't actually draw charts inside the document itself. Every chart you see in Docs is created in Google Sheets and linked back, which is great because it keeps your data and visuals in sync. Let's begin with inserting a chart directly from Google Docs. Open your document, then go to the top menu and choose Insert. Hover over Chart and pick the type you want: bar, column, line, or pie. Docs will place a sample chart into your document right away. Think of this as a placeholder with example data. To make it your own, click the chart and select Open Source. This takes you to Google Sheets, where the chart's data lives. Update the numbers in the table to match your content. The chart in Sheets updates automatically as you edit. When you're done, return to your Google Doc, click the chart, and press Update. That refresh button pulls in the latest version so your document reflects your changes. If you've already inserted a chart and want to adjust the data later, the process is just as simple. Click the chart in Docs and choose Open Source, or use Link options if you see that prompt. Sheets opens to the exact data range for that chart. Edit the values or labels in the table, and the chart in Sheets updates right away. Head back to your doc and click Update on the chart to sync those edits. Now, what if you've changed the data in Google Sheets at some point after adding the chart to your doc? No problem. Return to the document, click the chart, and press Update. That refreshes the chart in place, keeping everything consistent with your spreadsheet. A few important tips to make this smoother. Charts in Google Docs are always linked to Google Sheets, so think of Sheets as the source of truth. You can't fully edit the chart's data from within Docs. That editing happens in Sheets. However, you can resize the chart right inside your document by dragging the corners, which is handy for fitting it neatly into your layout. And if you decide a different visual would tell your story better, change the chart type in Google Sheets, switch from bar to pie or from column to line, and then update it in Docs to see the new style. That's it. Insert from Docs, edit in Sheets, and click Update in Docs to stay perfectly in sync.